Hello y'all and welcome back to Boa's Bikers channel. Today we're not in Belgium anymore. We left the country and we went to the Netherlands. Yeah, I know it's not that far, but hell yeah, it's another country. Today will be a very flat ride because in the Netherlands we don't have that much of elevation. Especially the area where we will be cruising, and that is Zeeland. So that is the southwest part of the Netherlands. So now we are coming to a critical point in the tour. We passed along this side 2 years ago and we stopped here, and when we tried to leave again, Jo's bike wouldn't start anymore. So he had to ride pillion on my motorcycle back home, and then had to come back to pick up his bike with a trailer later. So let's see if he starts today. Let's stop for a minute. Oof, this year we can drive on, the two of us, so no two up. His motorcycle is working. You see this? Well, if you like mussels, you might know what it is. These are mussel banks. This is where they grow the best mussels in the world. The Zeeuwse mosselen. The Zeeuwse mussels. So these Zeeuwse mosselen, they grow in the Netherlands, but most of them are sold in Belgium. So Belgium is the country known for its mussels, but they are actually Dutch mussels. But mussels with frites and French fries. Nice. Between two dikes, all the reeds, the water. Beautiful. Look at this, on top of a small dike, two lower lying sides, left and right, all fields, and then a bit further a bigger dike. Behind that is one of those estuaries. This is so much nicer than the main road, which is right to the left of this higher piece and the trees. That's just the busy main road there, but we are just cruising on this smaller road, much less traffic, a beautiful view. What more do you need? And of course we have a lot of cows here. Why else is the Netherlands known for its cheese? Look at all those wind turbines. Like I've said before, the Netherlands, they invest a lot in green energy. Just right in between water. How nice is this? Water to the left, water to the right. Amazing. This is making the best use of this open countryside. Just use it to produce wind power. Save the planet. Now we are coming to a stretch in the tour where we will be surrounded left and right by water a very long time. Look, swans! Look at those horses. A nice place for them. there we have another windmill. I was talking over lunch about windmills, and I was told that if you see a solitary windmill like this one, it's probably a regular windmill to grind grain. If it's to pump out the lower parts of the land, you should see more than one, several windmills next to each other, because one windmill will not pump an area dry. So that was my bad. Sorry. Nice smell. It must be those flowers. Cannons! You know what? I really can't decide what I like best. This vast open landscape or the rolling hills from the Vlaamse Ardennen. Let me know in the comments down below what you prefer. The flat open landscape or the rolling hills from the Vlaamse Ardennen. And of course, yes, I know, the Alps and the real mountain passes, they are not a kind of roads. But that's not what I'm asking for. So let me know in the comments down below. I guess this is the place to be in this neighborhood. And here again you see the good use of land for generating wind power. We are entering Eureka now. You could call this the mussel and oyster capital. This is the place where a lot of mussels are cultivated and brought ashore, but also oysters. You see all those concrete containers at the back of these restaurants? That's where the oysters are kept and the mussels. So that's all, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell to keep up to date with all that I'm doing, and please leave your comments down below. See you later.